Making a fresh start. Embrace new beginnings. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the intricacies of the English language and help you master its beauty. Today, we're unraveling the essence of a very inspiring phrase, make a fresh start. This phrase holds power, motivation, and the promise of new beginnings. Let's explore together what it means, how to use it, and why it's such an important concept in both language and life. Make a fresh start refers to the act of starting something again, but this time with a new approach, perspective, or after a failure or setback. It's about leaving the past behind and embracing new opportunities with optimism and a clear mind. This phrase can be applied to various aspects of life, such as personal goals, careers, relationships, or even small daily tasks. Making a fresh start is crucial for growth and development. It symbolizes resilience, the ability to recover from disappointments, and the strength to embark on new ventures despite previous failures. Fresh starts provide us with the chance to re-evaluate our strategies, learn from our mistakes, and proceed with enhanced wisdom and experience. 1. Reflect on the past. Understand what went wrong and acknowledge your mistakes. 2. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve with your fresh start. 3. Develop a plan. Outline the steps you need to take to reach your new goals. 4. Stay positive. Believe in yourself and your ability to make things better this time around. 5. Take action. Put your plan into motion and don't be afraid to make changes along the way. Personal development. Deciding to adopt a healthier lifestyle after years of unhealthy habits. Career. Switching jobs or starting a new business following a period of professional dissatisfaction. Education. Returning to school or pursuing new learning opportunities to advance your knowledge. Relationships. Building new, healthier relationships after learning from the challenges faced in previous ones. Making a fresh start is not just about changing what you do. It's about changing how you think and feel about your ability to improve and grow. It's a powerful concept that, when embraced, can lead to significant transformations in your life. We hope this video inspires you to see every day as an opportunity to make a fresh start. Remember, it's never too late to turn a new page and begin anew. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best on your journey to new beginnings.